Hey everyone, happy return to Shib. Today's big news is the discovery of Shiba Inu's true founder. Shib news for today: the SHIB community is very excited about the release of fresh live views of Shiba Metaverse at the South by Southwest Festival in Austin, Texas. The official movie poster was revealed by principal creator Shoshir Kusama, and extensive video views of the WMI Temple Hub were displayed, as reported by Bitcoinist yesterday. Just now, the Shiba Inu's true inventor was discovered. Shib news for now. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to get our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. Shiba Inu's price has increased by 4% in the last day as the cryptocurrency market bounces back from the weekend sell-off and gains from concerns about the banking sector. SHIB has down 1.5% during the past week and 15% over the past 30 days at 0.199. The meme currency has increased in value by 35% since the start of the year, but SHIB is still one of the most traded ERC20 tokens on the market, based on the most recent wallet statistics. Even if large investors own the largest shares, and Shiba Inu is still waiting for the Sharium Layer 2 network to open, there are many grounds to believe that more rallies are on the way, particularly if the perceived financial crisis pushes investors towards cryptocurrencies. Shib's relative strength index increased from 30 to little over 40, indicating that its current rise may continue for a few more days, according to its indicators. Given that the RSI has recovered from an oversold position, it's possible that this week's gain may last. The fact that the price of SHIB has not yet risen beyond its 30-day moving average lends credence to the suspicion. SHIB might soar much higher and target the 0.00125 level it was trading at the start of March if it manages to break over the resistance level of 0.000015. It's likely that it will get to this point before the month is out. In fact, the U.S. banking crisis is driving individuals into the cryptocurrency space, which is what initially sparked today's SHIB rally and the market-wide upswing that has driven Shib's price higher. It appears that some people are searching for an alternative place to deposit their money in addition to banks, as seen by the numerous banks that have previously failed and the sharp drops in their stock prices. Although the Federal Reserve and other authorities have intervened to ease concerns, it's unclear when the crisis will settle, which may work to the benefit of SHIB and other cryptocurrencies. In addition, the entrance of Sharium, which debuted in beta over the weekend, is probably going to help SHIB. Ultimately, having a Layer 2 network dedicated to Shiba Inu will only spur further use of the latter's ecosystem, which has been growing to encompass other dApps like shibaswap over the past few years. Shiba Inu will become easier, faster, and less expensive to use thanks to Sharium, which will increase demand for SHIB. The fact that SHIB is already in high demand and is one of the most popular ERC20 tokens among whales makes all of this especially exciting. As previously said, behind ETH, USDC, and USDT, it continues to be the fourth most commonly owned ERC20 token by whales in terms of dollars. Presently, among whales, SHIB ranks 12th in terms of purchases, trailing only a few stablecoins and several alts like SNX and Matic. With time, this kind of popularity is probably only going to grow. In addition, Shiba Inu is anticipating the eventual launch of Shiba the Metaverse, a virtual world with a Shiba Inu theme that may happen by year's end. When it does, users will be able to purchase and explore 10,595 plots of land, and one of its native tokens will be SHIB. Similar to Sharium, the introduction of Shiba Inu's own metaverse is expected to increase demand for SHIB in the future. Therefore, the coin has a very bright future. Regarding the short and medium-term outlook, Chanla data points to an average year high prediction of 0.0000544485, indicating a very pleasant 40% gain over the current price. Naturally, some SHIB holders have far greater goals in mind, but for the majority of the Shiba Inu community, $0.1 is still a popular, if not totally attainable, goal. However, the consultant for the Shiba Inu metaverse, Marcy Jastro, had something even more exciting in store for the SHIB army. Popular SHIB community member Scorsa said in a tweet verified by Jastro that the Shiba Metaverse team met with Ted Skilowitz, the futurist at Paramount Pictures, an American film production company, to talk about potential joint ventures. Shiba Inu chief developer Kusama was even drawn to Scorsa's tweet. Probably nothing, the SHIB community member remarked after sharing a photo with Paramount Skilowitz. This is a common sarcastic term in the crypto world to describe potentially significant happenings. In addition to seemingly demonstrating that he is listening, Kusama tweeted 4 large eye emojis to convey curiosity and enthusiasm. He also included a South Park gif with Randy Marsh saying, "Maybe nothing, maybe everything," and 3 hashtags to the tweet, #Shiba Metaverse, #Sharyum, and #Paramount. The Shiba Inu chief developer's GIF has increased the rumor's visibility and legitimacy and stoked more conjecture regarding Paramount and the Shiba Inu Metaverse team working together. Jastro went on to say that the Shiba the Metaverse event at South by Southwest Festival was a big success in an interview with Zach Humph. "In the past 2 days, I've had more conversations than ever with brands that want to be in our metaverse." She revealed the following about her interview with Paramount Skilowitz. "We were talking with Paramount Pictures head of Futuristics, and I said, we need to do a licensing arrangement. Rocket Pond is up next for me. After this are some films. We would like you to dive right in." And yes, they are all in. It's a really good concept. Ted Skilowitz is Paramount Pictures' first ever futurist in residence. In this capacity, Skilowitz collaborates closely with the technical departments of Viacom and Paramount to investigate all novel and cutting-edge technologies, with an emphasis on augmented and virtual reality. He does this by collaborating with outside partners to find fresh opportunities. In addition, he counsels Paramount Pictures executives and creatives on how to integrate emerging technologies into their works. According to blockchain data, the cryptocurrency's whales sold off more over 10 trillion SHIB. Since Friday, the day before the cryptocurrency project launched the early beta phase of the Sharyum network, the Shiba whale holdings have decreased from 67.9 trillion to 66.9 trillion SHIB. Data from blockchain analytics company Into the Block was initially revealed on the Daily Huddle. Whale addresses have dropped 6.25% in the past 2 days as well. SHIB has increased by almost 7% in the past day despite the whale divestment, as the cryptocurrency market as a whole has recovered. The low speed and expensive transaction fees of Ethereum, the host chain for the SHIB coin, are issues that Sharyum, a Layer 2 blockchain, aims to solve. The Sharyum team claims that Bone, the native token of shibaswap, is chosen to compensate validators and delegators inside the Sharyum protocol as well as to cover petrol transaction fees. Thankfully, Sharyum burns SHIB with each transaction, increasing SHIB scarcity for SHIB holders. Prior to Sharyum's release, as Crypt Globe revealed, there were more than 1.3 million Ethereum addresses holding onto SHIB. And on Coinbase, users were holding onto the meme-inspired cryptocurrency for an average of more than 230 days before selling it or transferring it to an external address. Because there are fewer Shiba Inus controlled by new whales, the cryptocurrency is more decentralized and less vulnerable to their decisions. Additionally, as additional traders may result in higher trading volume, it boosts Shib's liquidity. By visiting a new website that has been created just for this purpose, anyone can play with this early public beta of Sharyum. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.